Okay, I'm just gonna do a quick test right here in the GoPro. This is gonna be with the media mod and the microphone here in the front. I'm not gonna process the audio or anything like that, or if I do, I'll put it in the screen. But the thing about this is that I actually love the sound. I think it is fantastic, and I do really like it. The problem with this is that the GoPro Hero 9 has an issue with the screen, and a lot of times you have to turn the microphone on and off, and the screen is a pain on the butt. So you press, and it won't do it. I know GoPro did something to kind of fix that, and it is better now since that they have done an update and stuff, but it still is a pain on the butt. So what I'm doing is that I got tired of dealing with that, so what I did was that I actually decided to use the regular microphone. So this is kind of like a test of the microphone right here. And by the way, if you want to switch the microphone, you actually have to stop the recording. I don't like that either. But this is the microphone you've been hearing the whole time. No process. If I do any process, I put it here. Now I'm going to switch through the microphone on the camera. And here's the microphone in the camera, and I'm going to tell you, I think it's good. I don't think it's like such a big difference that I need to like struggle with that stuff. I think that this microphone sounds pretty good, and I think it's fantastic. These GoPros have come a long way. And just to show you now, I'm going to process the audio. I'm going to remove the wind, and I'm going to do a couple things in Final Cut Pro so you guys can see the difference. And now this is how it sounds, which is way better. I think it's definitely usable and definitely really good. So again, I just wanted to give you a quick, I guess, test between the media mod and the regular microphone and the GoPro. And again, here's the quality of the video as well. This is what you can expect.